the provincial, our parish priest, and everyone present here. Now may I invite Mr. Perete, the mentor of our youth group, to introduce the new directory of the FYG.
Thank you. May I be allowed to put on my specs?
Yes.
You can see the gray hairs. This is a new kind of youth. Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman. I stand here to give a brief, which is the description with regard to the constituents of the Francerian Youth Group Directory, read here at the inauguration ceremony of the Francerian Youth Group this 22nd day of February 2015 at St. Francis de Sales Parish at Liteta in Zambia. The Francerian Youth Group, FYG, is a voluntary non-partisan, non-profit Catholic youth movement formed under the auspices of the Missionaries of St. Francis de Sales, Zambia chapter. Francerian Youth Group adopts and draws its authority from the chapter 2 and subsection 3 of the Apostolates of Education and Formation, especially of the young, under the constitutions of the Missionaries of St. Francis de Sales, herein also known as Francerians, and all other related constitutions, therefore. FYG's vision is holistic development of the youth in accordance with Catholic norms and values, while its mission is to uphold the spirituality and virtues of St. Francis de Sales in the enhancement of the social, physical, spiritual, and indeed economic well-being of the youth, and indeed the underprivileged and vulnerable people in society. For the purpose of fully realizing its mission, FYG will, 1, defend and deepen the Catholic faith, support and collaborate with the Francerian priests in their youth development ministry, encourage and bring back to church Catholic youths who are not in sacrament, assist Francerian priests in the formation, promotion, and financial support of local youth vocations, and 5thly, carry out any such other activity commensurate with its vision, mission, and objectives. Its motto shall be explained at the podium in the inauguration. May God bless FYG. Thank you.
Now may I request the parish patron and matron to lead the youth to the podium.
Play a bit when you apply the play. Anything instrumental.